That let's go back and focus on your personal finance segment. Harshvardhan Roongta is our expert today, and let's go across to the first caller. It's DK Gupta who calls in from Delhi. Hi, Mr. Gupta.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Could you tell us what your question is?
My question is, I want to earn for 15 years, 15 lakhs.
Okay.
And how can I manage that?
Okay. Your aim is 15 lakhs?
15 lakhs.
All right. And how much can you invest per month? And could you tell us if you have any other current investments, your insurance?
I have insurance.
Okay.
For LIC. 8 lakh.
Okay.
Or future generally 2 lakh.
All right. Okay. Harsh, what's the advice that you would give him? He also has a few equity investments in HDFC Top 200, HDFC Equity, etc.
See, for what I see in Mr. Gupta's portfolio is one that he has selected certain equity schemes, such as the HDFC Top 200 Equity and the ICICI Focus Blue Chip Fund. Now, these funds are well performing in their own category. So he can certainly, first aspect is that he can retain them and continue investing into those schemes. He's already making an investment of 5,000 roughly about in these three schemes. Now he wishes to increase this investment by about 1,000 rupees. So I would suggest instead of adding a new scheme into his portfolio, he can continue with ICICI Focus Blue Chip Fund, in which he's investing only 1,000 rupees, and double it up to make it 2,000. Now there is a concern which I had about his target. I mean, in the details that he's provided, he's mapped his child education, marriage and his own retirement, and he's aiming at a corpus of between 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Now this certainly is not keeping inflation in mind. So I would recommend that if he just realigns his goal and gets it more realistically to actually what he's going to require 15 years from now. However, having said this, the good part is that hoping the 30 lakhs is what he looks at, 6,000 a month will help him achieve that target. Now, taking the other aspect into mind, which is his life insurance requirements, he has about a 10 lakh insurance, which I think is a little inadequate, considering that he's the only earning member in the family with 4 dependents. So I think there is some thought he needs to give in to his insurance portfolio as well.
You don't think what he has by way of insurance is enough? And if not, what would you want him to do?
No. Lata, let's look at it like this. He's given a detail saying that he's the only earning member in the family and he has 4 dependents. Now, with a 10 lakh as his risk protection, it certainly at the face of it looks very, very inadequate. So ideally, a person, there are different methods which we should look at for his risk coverage.
Okay. Gupta ji, if you have heard what the expert is saying, he says that 15 lakhs may not be enough for all that you are speaking about, education and marriage. So maybe you want to increase that amount a bit, because what you can pay for with 15 lakhs today will not be possible 15 years down the line. So maybe you want to increase your corpus. For the moment, he's giving you the advice that you should put your money, your monthly money in ICICI Blue Chip Fund. Also, the advice is that you should think about your insurance a little more. You have 10 lakhs, you could get, another 10 lakhs pretty easily, perhaps with, if you bought just a term insurance, maybe for about 1,500 or 2,000 rupees per year. A pure term insurance perhaps will help, but Harshvardhan's advice is that you should think of increasing your insurance amount as well. All right, that's the advice for Mr. Gupta. Let's take a break. We have some more personal finance scholars waiting by with some very interesting questions. Stay right there. We are back in a minute. Welcome back. The markets are not doing anything really. I mean, 5,205, 203, 204, thereabouts for the past hour or so. So it is becoming a bit of a lethargic market, waiting and watching. And if you look at the volumes, perhaps you would be even more disappointed. 50,000 crores is about all that has been done. So let's turn to the more vital area of personal finance. We have another questioner, a viewer joining us with his query. This is Harsh Kushwaha. He joins from Indore. Harsh ji, go ahead. What's your question?
मैम गुड आफ्टरनून
जी।
मुझे एक जानकारी ये चाहिए थी कि जैसे मुझे 20 साल में 1 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए होंगे, तो उसके लिए मुझे कहाँ इन्वेस्ट किया जाए? 5,000 6,000 रुपए महीने करके, ताकि मेरा गोल कंप्लीट हो सके।
ओके, वेल आपके पास इंश्योरेंस भी है, आपने लिखा है हमको कि आपके पास आप प्रीमियम भर रहे हैं 6,000 और आपको 1,25,000 का सम अश्योर्ड LIC पॉलिसी द्वारा है।
हाँ जी मैडम।
Okay, fine. Harsh looks like he has taken a pure term because it's a premium of only 6,000 that he's paying per year. Now for that 5,000 to 6,000 a month and a goal of 1 crore in 20 years.
Lata, it's very difficult that with an investment of 6,000 rupees a month.
You can answer in Hindi if you're comfortable, Harsh.
Yeah. हर्ष, आपके लिए मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर आप 1 करोड़ रुपया 20 साल में इकट्ठा करना चाहते हैं तो आपको करीबन हर महीने का 8,000 रुपया इन्वेस्ट करना होगा। हम जो इक्विटी में रिटर्न एस्टिमेट करते हैं वो है बिटवीन 12 and 15%। सो अगर 15% से हम एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं तो 6,000 रुपया जो आप अभी करना चाहते हैं उसका कॉर्पस करीबन 77 लाख ही हो पाएगा। तो अगर आपको 1 करोड़ चाहिए तो आपको 8,000 रुपये करने होंगे। बट नेवरदलेस एक अच्छा आइडिया है कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट शुरू करना चाहते हैं, एटलीस्ट आप शुरू अभी करिए और जैसे आपकी इनकम आगे बढ़ती रहती है आप अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स बढ़ाते रहिए। जो आपको 6,000 रुपये इन्वेस्ट करने हैं, मैं आपको 2 स्कीम बता देता हूँ। एक आप HDFC इक्विटी फंड में 3,000 रुपये इन्वेस्ट कर दीजिए। दूसरा आप फ्रैंकलिन इंडिया इंडेक्स फंड BSE सेंसेक्स प्लान, उसमें आप 3,000 रुपये इन्वेस्ट करिए और दोनों में ग्रोथ ऑप्शन चूज करिएगा, डिविडेंड पे आउट या री इन्वेस्टमेंट मत चूज करिए। और ये जो मैंने आपको 2 फंड दिए हैं उसमें से एक एक्टिवली मैनेज्ड फंड है जो है HDFC इक्विटी फंड। इसमें फंड मैनेजर बहुत अपना खुद का कॉल लेते हैं, स्टॉक सिलेक्ट करते हैं, तो वो हिसाब से इसके परफॉर्मेंस आपको 1 and 2 years इवेल्युएट करना होगा। और जो दूसरा फंड आपका है वो है फ्रैंकलिन इंडेक्स फंड, उसे आप नेक्स्ट 20 ईयर्स तक भी जस्ट बाय इटसेल्फ रखिए, कोई इशू नहीं है, उसमें इवेल्युएट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। जो दूसरा एस्पेक्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग है जिसे हम फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट बोलते हैं, विच इज़ इंश्योरेंस। पहली बात, आपने इंश्योरेंस सिर्फ 1,25,000 रुपीज़ का आपका कवरेज अमाउंट है, आप उसके लिए भले ही 6,000 रुपये भर रहे हो। ये मुझे लगता है कि शायद बहुत ज़्यादा कम होगा। आप इंदौर में रहते हैं, 1,25,000 में आपका, मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपकी फैमिली का मोर देन 5-6 मंथ्स का भी खर्चा निकलेगा। तो आपको एक प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस लेनी चाहिए और रिस्क प्रोटेक्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंश्योरेंस टू प्रोटेक्ट योर अर्निंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है और आप उसमें थोड़ा डिटेल में जाके इवेल्युएट करिए, वो आपके लिए ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा।
All right, that's the answer. And Harsh, thanks so much for joining us.